In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two databases in Notion. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can see information from two places on the same page and work more efficiently. First, open the page where you want everything to come together. On that page, type the command /linked and choose Linked View of Database. This doesn't create a brand new database. It creates a window into an existing one. Think of it like placing a live display of your database right on this page. So you can control how it looks and what it shows without changing the original setup elsewhere. Next, select the database you want to display. You can search for it by name and pick it from the list. Once it appears, you'll see the same items from your master database. But you'll be able to manage this view independently. That means you can customize how it looks and what it shows in this context while the source database remains intact. Now repeat that process for your second database. Again, type /linked, pick Linked View of Database and choose the other database you want to see here. You now have both databases visible on the same page, each as its own linked view. This makes it easy to reference related information side by side and keep your workflow in one place. From here, you can filter, sort, or change the view for each one individually without affecting the original database. For example, maybe you only want to see entries marked as active or with a due date this week. Add a filter to this linked view and it will only apply here. You can sort by priority or date to bring the most important items to the top. And if a table layout isn't the best fit, switch the view to something like a board to group by status. These choices only affect the way you see this information on this page. One important note, filtering and sorting are local to the linked view. But the content is still the same database. If you edit a row, that edit happens everywhere. If you remove an item, it's removed from the source too. Use filters when you want to narrow your focus without changing the data itself. With both linked views set up, you can quickly cross-reference, compare details, and keep context front and center. All without duplicating work or disrupting your master databases. Thanks for watching.